Hello YouTube, it's me again, and I'm off to a very special place. I'll give you a few clues. It begins with A and ends in I. That's right, I'm going to buy an Audi. Alright, I'm going shopping to Aldi. So I thought I'd just bring you along for the ride. Need to get a few bits. And yeah, so I will, as usual, put some tunes on and I'll see you when I'm there. I know you're excited to have a little ride with me to Aldi, but hey, gotta fit my trips in when I can fit my trips in. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Toodle pip!
Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go. I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. That I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
I've just had a thought. What are you guys' thoughts on fireworks and how easy they are to be purchased in stores such as Aldi, especially this time of year, the week leading up to Halloween, the week leading up after bonfire night? Every blinking night, bang, bang, bang! The reason I bring it up is because, like a lot of people, I have a pet, I have a cat, who's called Rossi. Yeah, I know. But it's not fair. If you could guarantee it was one weekend, say the weekend of Halloween or the weekend of bonfire night, you could keep them in and you know, prepare. But not when it's a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks over the period. It's absolutely ridiculous. All you can hear is dogs barking, etc. I think it should be, you know, made a law where you can't buy fireworks unless you've got a licence. What are your guys' opinions on that? Leave me a comment, I'd be interested to know. Anyway, that just popped up in my mind. I'm nearly to Aldi, so I'll see you when I'm there. See you in a bit. Well, I'm now in Rugby. We do have one in Daventry, but I like to come a bit further, stretch the bike's legs, plus I'm a lazy git, don't want to walk. But yeah, it's about 15 miles both in total. These traffic lights are new though. And it's green for go, 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 go. Might have to change my sun visor over soon for my pin lock. I'm steaming up a bit. I seem to have petrol there. And here we are, lovely Aldi. Time to get some Aldi special beer that looks like Stella, but it's half the price. And some lovely steak. If you've never tried Aldi steak, try it. Got speaking to a woman the other day whose husband makes the steaks, and apparently it's exactly the same in Aldi as it is in Tesco's. They just put the price up. Time to go shopping. See you in a bit. That's my shopping all done. £30 for a week. Bargain. Well, I'm not going to bore you anymore with this video. Hope you enjoyed my little jaunt out to Aldi, however you pronounce it. Yes, it's Aldi. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button if you liked it. Probably didn't because it's been a boring video, but hey ho. Speak to you soon. Bye. Hello, pretty cat. Hello, pretty cat. Hello, pretty cat. Hello, pretty cat. Hello, chunk. Hello, my chunk and uncle love.
You a fool's gold. Yes, I did.